Hey you, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a short and sweet one for you. We got the HogWorkz docking hardware cover kit. These are going to be compared to the Harley Davidson docking covers. Pretty much what this is going to be for is it just goes over your dock. I'll show you up close here in a second. And they're just little magnetic things that go over the sleeves just to kind of dress up your bike a little bit. These aren't very pricey. They're coming in right around $30 compared to the Harley ones where you have to buy 2 sets. So you're paying roughly $60 for the Harley versus $29 for these HogWorkz. I can tell you from my personal experience, they look like they're the same material, same powder coating, same kind of magnets. So for longevity purposes, I don't see how you're going to be skimped out on $30 by any means, because these look just as high quality as the Harley one. So as you can see, I got these unpackaged already. They're just the HogWorkz docking hardware cover kit. I got the all black because my bike has a lot of black accents. They do offer these in chrome. As always, I'll have the link down in the description if you are looking to purchase these for your bike. You can see we got 2 longer ones here and 2 short. There's just a little magnet inside there. And let's go over to the bike and I'll show you how these just go on. You can see how we have a longer docking port there versus a smaller one. So that's where the long versus the short come in. So these are real simple. You just slide them right on and they just, like I said, with the magnet, they just stick right on. And there you can kind of just see the difference. I mean, it's not really a big deal, but for $29, it adds a nice little accessory to your bike. It's not really going to break the bank. It just kind of keeps them looking nice and out of sight if you're someone like me that doesn't typically ride with a sissy bar or rack attached. So let's get these put on and take a look at them afterwards. So now we got them all installed. Just kind of dresses it up real nice. For $29, I think it's worth it. And this just covers them up and protects the docking hardware if you're someone like me that doesn't ride with a sissy bar or luggage rack. Alright guys, like I said, super easy mod. For $29, you can't beat it. It's just another little accessory to add to your bike to dress it up when you're not riding with a luggage rack or a sissy bar. So, like I said, I'll have the link down below in the description. You can get them in chrome or black. You're saving roughly $30 from the Harley docking hardware covers. I don't see a difference myself, so we'll see how they hold up. But I hope you guys liked this short, sweet little video. Make sure to smash that like button, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.